Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some natural cordage using the reverse wrap method. What I have here is just a piece of the stem from a cattail. Find them anywheres. Just got to squash up these fibers a little bit. Make it a little bit more pliable, I think. Now we're going to be using the reverse wrap method. Just twist it ahead, like so. Bring it over on top of each other like so. There's something like this. This one here, the one that's on the bottom, twist it ahead, bring it over, lock it in place, under. Do the same thing now. You have this one on top, twist it, bring back, roll over. Just keep repeating that method. You can get pretty fast at this the more you play around with it. You can use all kinds of different things for this. Many different plant fibers, barks from trees, roots. So far my favorite is the bark from a cedar tree. Real great stuff to work with. Once it dries, it's a bonus for fire tinder. Like, I've only been going at this for just about 2 minutes, and there's what I got so far. I don't know if that's focusing very well or not. Real easy to do. Let's continue doing it. So, just keep going until you get your desired length. There, 3 minutes. I got that. Like, that's not bad. Like, here's a piece that's not twisted in the rope. Like, nothing. Get this stuff, just twist it in really quickly. It's not bad at all. Now, in the next video, I'll show you guys how to add on, so you can keep going and make longer ropes. Until then, get outside, have fun, stay safe.